right, so ladies and gentlemen, who knows what the SAT is? Anybody? Big test, helps you get into college. Everybody has to take it. Okay? So, do you guys know that the math section is half regular numbers, regular problems where you have to solve it? Guys, and half multiple choice. Okay? So we're going to talk about a multiple choice question from your warm-up and how we're going to do that. So let's write this down. You should have in your notebook, we're going to label this, today's date is it's 10. It is the 2nd. And we're going to call this an annotated, I'm just going to write ANN, period, multiple choice problem. Multiply. I don't know how to spell multiple. I'm going to say MC for multiple choice. There you go. Annotated multiple choice. We know Miss Murphy can't spell. Okay, then we're going to rewrite this problem down. If one angle in a parallelogram is 75 degrees, what are the measures of all the other angles? Okay, we're going to move a little bit of a space and we're going to put A, 75 degrees, 75 degrees, 75 degrees. And remember the fourth one is in the problem. Okay? Fourth one is in the problem. We're going to do a big space and we're going to put B. This is driving me nuts. Hold on. There we go. B is going to be 115 degrees, 75 degrees, 115 degrees. Then we're going to put a decent space again. We're going to write C, 15 degrees. Oh, not 115, excuse me, 105. Sorry, guys. 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 15 degrees. And then we're going to have a big space and put D, 25 degrees, 75 degrees, 25 degrees. Okay. Like this? Okay. I'm just trying to give you guys a minute to write this all down. Do you want me to read any of this again, or you guys got it? So it says, if one angle in a parallelogram is 75 degrees, what are the measures of all the other angles? A says 75 degrees, 75 degrees, 75 degrees. B says B says 105 degrees, 75 degrees, 105 degrees. C says 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 15 degrees. And D says 25 degrees, 75 degrees, 25 degrees. Okay. So what we're going to do, go through this and do is kind of annotate it to say why things don't work. So let's look at A. Why is it not 75 degrees, 75 degrees, 75 degrees, 75 degrees? Does it add up to 360? No, this doesn't work. It doesn't add up to 360. Okay? Let's look at B. Yes, this one works, right? Opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. And it adds up to 360 degrees. Okay? C. 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 15 degrees. No. It doesn't add up to 360. Okay. Opposite angles are congruent, but not supplementary. Okay. D. No. It doesn't add up to 360. Opposite angles are congruent, but not supplementary. Okay, now probably on your SAT, you're not going to go through each of these and write down, you know, this by each one, but you might think about it. And we found that if you guys wrote these down, you actually do think about it like this when you are taking a big test like the SAT. So we're practicing writing them down so you do think about it. Okay? Any questions on this? All right. Your homework for today is your review, which you do not have in front of you. Which you do not have in front of you yet. So you might want to write this down at the bottom of your paper. This front is, again, where you're going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw like any kind of four-sided figure, right? Is a quadrilateral, all four sides polygons. They add up to 300, the angles add up to 360. You're going to have to add this space right down here on yours, isosceles trapezoid, because it was forgotten. So you're going to have to add that. Okay. All right. So you should have this written down. And now I'm going to stop recording as I go over the homework because I'm not going to record your homework. Questions about any of that? Okay, I'm stopping the recording.